guys watch to the end to see how I made this avocado tuna salad. So healthy and nutritional, very good and high in protein. Watch to the end. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I made tuna avocado salad. And what I have here, I have the bowl for meats, and I'm using baby spinach for today. You can feel free to use your lettuce, and I'm using tuna. This is 3 cups, 3 small tin cups. Then this is I'm using 1 lemon, and I'm using 2 avocado, the medium one. I'm using half of red onion, and I'm using English cucumber, and I'm using a pinch of salt. I'm using pink salt, just pinch. I'll use the avocado oil just to dress the salad. Let's go. First, slice your cucumber, depending on the size you want to slice it. All these are very good and healthy, and it's good for, you can use it as your complete meal, or you top it up, because tuna is very good. Tuna, it has all the protein. Then I'll put it one side. Then I slice my avocado. This will give it a creamy texture. You can use 3 or whatever, but I prefer using 2. Just this easy to cut and slice it. The avocado is ready. I put it on by the side. Creamy. I add the tuna flakes. I slice the onion, half onion. Then I slice the spinach. As I said earlier, you can use lettuce, any other, but this is baby spinach, so you can use it in your salad raw. So I'm using baby spinach for today. So feel free to use any salad leaf you want to do your avocado tuna. Slicing the lemon and squeeze it in. It will give you like 2 tablespoons of this medium lemon. Will give you like 2 tablespoons, and a pinch of pink salt. I'm adding my black pepper, just something like pinch, and you can use olive oil, but today I'm using avocado oil for dressing, just like 2 tablespoons. Yes guys, the avocado tuna salad is ready. So healthy, so creamy because of the avocado on it. This can be served with rice, your yam, or you can just eat it that way. You can eat it like that. Oh, try this at home, and please subscribe to my channel. If you are new in this channel, subscribe, and if you'll be following me, thumb up. Tuna avocado salad is ready, guys. Nice one. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.